Markers are little indicators that you can put in your timeline that serve as reminders. This will be really quick. Markers are helpful visual reminders if you want to mark a specific point in the timeline. For example, where the playhead here, suppose I'm thinking about maybe potentially splitting the clip, although I'm not sure, or possibly I want to come back to it. I can simply right-click my mouse and then click Add Marker, give it a name, whatever you want to name it, and then click the Create button. Now we can see this little orange flag has appeared. This is a mark. So this is just a reminder that I've got a potential spot here where I may want to do something. And the other nice thing about markers is they're also operationally useful because they serve as a snapping point. So I can take my playhead and it'll snap right onto that marker. So it's very useful in that way. To get rid of the marker, simply go to the mark, right click, and click Delete Marker. And that is markers.